In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make these really fun and easy petal scrunchies. We're just working around a hair tie like this, creating a chain, working off of the chain to create petals, and then joining again around that hair tie. You can use any kind of yarn that you'd like, any size hook. You'll also need scissors and a yarn needle for this project. I am using 5mm crochet hook, a hair tie, and just some 4-weight acrylic yarn for this project. Start with a slip knot on your hook. Pick up your elastic hair tie, and we're going to put the hook right through the center of that hair tie. Grab your working yarn, yarn over, pull through the hair tie, yarn over, and pull through those 2 loops to secure the yarn onto your hair tie, just like that. We're going to work a single crochet around that hair tie. So put the hook in, pull up a loop, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, draw through 2, single crochet. We're now going to work a petal. We're going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and we're going to work down along this chain. So into the first chain away from the hook, we're going to work a single crochet. Into that very next chain, we're going to work a half double crochet. So we yarn over, put our hook into that second chain, yarn over, pull back through everything for a half double crochet. Into the next chain, we're going to work a double crochet, yarn over, put your hook into the next chain, yarn over, back through 2, yarn over, back through 2 for a double crochet, and into that very last stitch we're going to work a treble. So yarn over twice, put your hook into that last chain, drop a loop, yarn over, back through 2, yarn over, back through 2, yarn over, back through 2 for a treble. We've got a small pointy petal. We're going to put our hook right back in through the center of our hair tie, drop a loop, yarn over, pull back through both loops to secure that pointy petal back onto our hair tie. We're going to work 1 more single crochet around that hair tie, and now we're going to start another petal. So each petal is separated by 2 single crochets. The first single crochet is joining that petal back around your elastic hair tie, and the second one is just a regular single crochet around that hair tie. And now we can do the whole thing again. Chain 5, into that first chain, single crochet, into the next chain, a half double crochet, into the next chain, a double, and finally into the last chain, a treble. So we're just increasing our stitches, the height of our stitches back down the chain. We're going to work a single crochet. This is our first single crochet to join that petal back, and then 1 more around the hair tie. Now we've got 2 petals. We're just going to keep repeating this. Chain 5, single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, and a treble crochet into that last chain, join around the hair tie with a single crochet and one more single crochet, and there we go. So you're going to work this all the way around. You can make as many or as few of these petals as you want. I suggest trying to fill up with as many as you can easily get around, and that way when you pull on your hair tie you won't have too much space and it won't be too tight when you go to put this in your hair. And you can see once it's all wrapped around, you've got these nice petals. It almost comes out to be a double layer of petals. Super cute. You can make them in any color that you want, any kind of yarn. They make great gifts, especially for teenagers, and it's a really fun and easy, quick project to do if you're just looking for something small to make. I'm going to go ahead and finish this one up, and then I will meet you back here to join this and finish our pointy petal hair tie. I have worked all of these pointy petals around that hair tie. It's getting quite difficult to continue on, and when you get to this point, you just kind of want to stretch your scrunchie out, kind of separate those petals out, twist it around your fingers to see how many petals you have and how it looks. And once you're happy with it, we're going to join. So I've already made my 2 single crochets after that last pointy petal. I'm going to find that first single crochet, or really any stitch from that first join that we did, or that first single crochet around the hair tie, slip stitch, and then I like to just work up the side of that first petal with a few slip stitches. You can cut your yarn, weave in those 2 ends, and when you're weaving in the ends, make sure you do them very well, tight, secure, because this is a scrunchie, and the more you pull on it, the more those ends will want to come undone. So I'm going to weave in my ends. These are fabulous scrap projects. You can use any scrappy kind of yarn, or you can use fancy yarn, you can use novelty yarn, whatever you want to create these super fun and easy project. They make great gifts, and they're wonderful for craft shows or craft fairs, or even just for yourself. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, happy crocheting everyone. Bye.